Now we're joined by the amazing Sugar.
Yes.
Welcome, girl. What's up?
Thank you so much for having me.
All right, so hold on. I'm going to ask you a question. I'm going to put you
demure.
on the spot a little bit. I want
Okay.
you to describe Sugar in 3 words. And you can't use sweet.
Only 3?
Only
Yeah.
3.
All right. Abstract.
Okay.
Interesting.
Um,
That's a good one to know.
One way.
Yeah.
Own
Actually, that's
way,
still like,
own
you
way.
can get
All
to
right.
one more.
Eclectic.
Eclectic. I like
Yeah.
that. Those are good, good 3. I thought you would have got somewhere else, but that's awesome.
That's some go.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm here. Okay, so we hear that you are a part of Bugle's Anointed Camp. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how did that come about?
Well, you know, a producer reached out to me, wanted me to do a song. It ended up being a collaboration between myself and Bugle. The song we're talking about is Replay. So, you know, when we met, we had a conversation. Chemistry just worked, and we decided, all right, we need to do some more.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Which song are you going to be performing for us today?
Oh, that song. Talk about.
All right. You're also performing that song tomorrow.
Yes.
Tell us about the performance tomorrow.
Tomorrow night. Tomorrow night.
Where is it? Because you know I'm not
The
coming to. Where is it?
29th. Tomorrow night, Keysing Live. Comes alive.
Wow, big
Okay.
show, man.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, man. George Nooks did it. Me did it. The finalists from the Rising Star show will also be a part of it.
Excellent.
And-
8. There's a group, a young group coming up called 8. They're going to be there
Oh,
too.
okay,
8
you see
band,
it?
yeah.
Yes.
Artists in residence, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
all right.
Bad singer them.
Excellent. Yeah, you know
Man,
them?
a bad band.
You hear them? You're right for them?
I know of them.
Off them.
I've not
I
met
understand. All right, so take it away with your performance and we'll come back and have a little chat
Talk about.
after.
All right.
Yes, girl, you look
Do your
lovely by the
thing.
way. I love it. Yeah.
Rhythm. So the one your name talk about. I want to know if you pre everything what me I say. Alright? Just a come in, me and my man from the club, liquor busting on me head, way in a mad rush. Me coulda wait just for dropping on the bed, come and know say tonight is a lover turn up. Every touch get to my brain and the replay drive me insane and him one good so me coulda complain but me mouth go slip and call another man name and him say baby who the hell you calling Gary? Me say you no give me no ratings when you drunk so you go on with beer things. Oh yeah. Nothing to talk about. Why can't we work it out? No need to fight about it, baby. We should be sweating it out. Yeah. Well, me can't believe say I saw your headlight. Oh, you feel frost now for 2 red stripe. Come in with the vibes, but you just spoil the night. I bite up yourself like you a look fine. How are you take me for? Not even a blame you, me a blame the liquor. Come in, feel sweet, now you make me feel bitter. You better go and go sleep, cause you not get no sugar. Try roll over. Oh, nothing to talk about. Why can't we work it out? No need to fight about it, baby. We should be sweating it out. Yeah, you a try convince me, say me a cheat. You know me have a strong feeling, say you a tweet. You never hear me name a mix up in the street. Boy, your so-called evidence, them no concrete. I know some me did a plan fit it and some. Right now me have a good vibes, call your friend. The time we take a cuss me and Pete coulda. You know me chat anything when me in a hit. Oh, no need to talk about it. Why can't we work it out? No need to fight about it, baby. We should be sweating it out. Yeah. And him say, baby, who the hell you calling Gary? Me say you no give me no ratings. When you're drunk, so you go on with beer things. Oh yeah. And him say, baby, who the hell you calling Gary? Me say you know you no rate me. I see him so last week you say me call you Jamie. No, me never call you Gary. No, me never call you no Jamie. Try nobody make the mistake here, you know. I wonder what Greggy T would have done. Just a come meet me, I'm a man from the club liquor. In a me head, we in a hammer. Me could do wait just for dropping at the cause we know that tonight this a love a turn up. Every touch gets to my brain and the foreplay drive me insane and him go on good so me coulda complain but me mouth go slip and call Craigie T name and him say baby who the hell you calling? Baby me say you no give me no rating.
No.
Sugar, I love that one then. And the ultimate Jinal song that do, you know. You know, when you just reverse it thing down there. That's interesting. But you'd have to tell me who name Gary. Yeah, you'd have to tell me who name Gary still.
But me never call him, sir.
A baby, she call him.
A junkie.
A junkie. Yeah, man. That's awesome still. Thank you very much, Sugar.
Yeah, man, big up.
And thank you everybody for tuning in to Daytime Live.